So when we talk about trading, I was reading the report of SEBI, which mentioned that 93% of the people who do trading, they make up losses, and only 7% of the people make profits. And even in those 7%, the amount which people made on an average was very less on a per annum basis. So why do you think that so many people are making losses when it comes to trading? And what is one or two pieces of advice you'd like to give them so that they can also fall in the 7% bracket?
Yeah, that's very interesting one. You are right. A lot of people end up making losses, and maybe a lot of them actually are paying tuition fees. When you do start trading, you end up making some losses. But if you learn from there, you can actually turn into advanced traders. So of course, this 7 to 10% of people who are making money over, they would have also lost money initially. It's not that you are born profit maker, correct? Another thing is that, as I said earlier, if you are able to uh, put risk management and discipline approach and keep your emotions aside, I think you can become a successful trader. Another thing which I have noticed is that, and in fact, I recollect one famous quote from Nassim Taleb, who has written in his book Black Swan, is that option selling is right like a penny picking against the steam roller. Every day you keep on selling options, you get some money, you pocket that money. But in case of very big accident in the market, you lose your certs. So unless you have put your protection in place, every day what you have made, you will lose it. So I think for option trader, another thing very important is a risk management. Whatever strategy you are playing, are you having the wings on your losses? Means that suppose you are selling options, you need to also ensure that there is a hedge created on out of the money option always, so that in the worst case scenario, in the black swan event, your losses are bearable. You need to survive this market to be able to make money over a period of time.
So you're trying to say that hedging strategy should always be in place and you should hedge your bets no matter what you're doing.
Absolutely.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.